Hi lovelies, today I'll be showing you how I created this hairstyle. I hope it's lovely. Please make sure to watch the full video. The first thing that we're going to do to create that lovely hairstyle is for you to comb your hair very well. Make sure the hair is very straight. You can see the hair is looking all straight now. Now we can proceed. You can use rubber band if you want, but I don't like using rubber band because anytime I use rubber band directly to my hair, I'll be feeling headache and I don't really want that. So I normally use threads to tie the hair instead of rubber band. Now we are going to apply our white gel. I love this product so much because it makes your hair look so sleek and smooth. If you have black gel, you can use black gel. Is also nice, make the hair look very black and natural. Just brush for it to be smooth. You can also use your edge control. This edge control is very nice. You can mix it together and use, and make sure to brush it very well. Then you can tie it up for some minutes before you start. Now the reason why I decided to use extension is because my hair is not that long, so I'll decide to use extension so that the extension can wrap the donut very well. For those of us with short hair, we can use extension. And when using the extension, make sure to cut into 3 parts so that it will be short. You don't want to use the long one. If you are finished cutting it, then you can start putting it with crochet pin in your hair. Just watch the tutorial for better understanding. And please remember, when putting the extension, make sure it's close to the place that we tied with thread. Rather, make sure it's very close to it. Don't put it far from it at all, so that we get good results. Just keep putting. Make sure you put it in a circular order. Make sure it's round, like put it round the place that is tied. instead of using white gel, I advise you guys to use black gel so that your hair won't be showing at the top. So black gel is more advisable in this stage. I advise you guys to use black gel, please. And you can use your olive oil to make it shiny, but to blend your hair with the extension, it is advisable to use black gel. So if you want to make your own, please make sure to use black gel so that your hair color won't be showing. And that's all for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on my next video. If you want more videos like this, please comment down below. If you love this video, click on the like button, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more amazing styles. Bye.